Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to fix WinRAR Diagnostic messages error. Right-click File, click Properties. Click Advanced. Change Owner. Click Edit, click Add. Given to full rights. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.